Boris Johnson is set to launch a major Brexit plan with the nomination of a key ally to take over leadership of the World Trade Organization (WTO). The body is currently searching for a new Director General to replace Brazilian Roberto Azevedo, who is standing down from the position on 31 August. But now the Prime Minister is set to play his Trump nomination card by putting forward former Trade Secretary Liam Fox as the UK's preferred candidate. The ex-cabinet minister is a vocal Brexiteer and ally of Mr Johnson, having been a Conservative Party MP for nearly 30 years. The former Trade Secretary, who has strong trade ties with the US and China, was sacked by the Prime Minister last year as part of a major cabinet reshuffle. Despite this, he has remained loyal to the Prime Minister, and would also be a popular choice among Tory backbenchers. Confirming his nomination, International Trade Secretary Liz Truss said Dr. Fox would be a fierce champion of free and fair trade. She tweeted, "Delighted to confirm that the UK will be nominating Liam Fox to be the next Director General of the WTO. We need a fierce champion of free and fair trade, an advocate of multilateralism and someone able to get things done. Liam brings all that to the table." But his nomination from Downing Street would come as a huge blow to former Cabinet Minister Lord Mandelson, who has previously expressed a strong interest in the role. On Monday, the British government ruled out backing the peer as a potential candidate to lead the WTO because of his anti-Brexit views. He was told by International Trade Secretary Liz Truss in a phone call the government would not back him because he was not a Brexiteer, according to a report in the Financial Times. Lord Mandelson said, "Nominating me would probably annoy some in Tory ranks who are more tribal Britain than global Britain, but I hope my experience and credentials would outweigh political considerations. I am sure the WTO will find someone else qualified to lead the organisation."